Hi, I'm Sarah, and welcome to my channel, Oh Sarah, So Sarah. Today I'd like to share with you how I sorted my bag of linen scraps the second time around. The first time I had my bag of linen scraps, I divided my bag into the very small pieces and then the larger pieces. What I'm going to show you today is what I did with my larger pieces. So here's my scraps. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to divide this pile of scraps into three sizes: 6 inches, 4 inches, and 2 inches. And then we'll go from there. So here's my tape measure in case I need to measure my scraps. And I just take one piece at a time. Do I think I can get a 2-inch square, a 4-inch square, or a 6-inch square? This one would be 2 inches. This one would be a 4 inches. This one looks like it could be 6 inches, but I've got to take in mind the selvage. So I'm going to put this in my 4-inch bin. This is a 4-inch. And I didn't iron my scraps ahead of time, but you can. This I'm going to put in my 4-inch bin. A 4-inch. I think I can get a 4-inch square there, maybe a 6-inch. We'll turn it around. Not quite. Pretty close. Maybe I'll put that aside. Maybe I can get a 6-inch square out of that one. This definitely 2 inches. This I can do a 4-inch square. And I'm going to just continue sorting my scraps until I've got everything sorted into 2 inches, 4 inches, and 6 inches. To get a 6-inch square, we're going to pull thread. I'm going to measure 6 inches. It looks like I can come down this far. We're going to straighten it. I'm going to put my seam ripper and grab a thread. And you can watch the video on pulling thread for the details on exactly how to do this. But we're going to just quickly demonstrate right here. Pulling that thread. I'm going to take my tape measure, and we're going to measure 6 inches here. And I'm going to pull my thread. And if I'm making 6-inch squares, when I'm finished, if I sew 6-inch squares together, the finished square is going to be 5.5 inches. Because when I sew the squares together, I am going to use a 1/4 inch seam. And I'm going to take a 1/4 inch off of each side, so that's going to give me a 5.5 inch square when I start with a 6-inch piece of fabric. So I'm going to start right here and pull another thread. And I've got a 6-inch square. I'm going to continue cutting 6-inch squares out of the fabric scraps that I think I can get 6-inch squares out. Thanks for watching. I'm Sarah with Oh Sarah, So Sarah. Please like, share, and subscribe.